Stop scrolling right now. You are about to witness 15 genius kitchen upgrades that will instantly modernize your entire setup. From space-saving prep tools to heavy-duty cooking tech, this lineup is entirely unmatched. Welcome to the Deal Scout, where we uncover the internet's most legendary finds. You can find every link waiting in the description. Smash that subscribe button today so you never miss our next massive gear drop. Coming up, we're sharing 15 practical kitchen upgrades that make daily cooking safer and completely manageable. We've found Kicking off our list at number 1, these heavy-duty stainless steel measuring spoons give you precise control over dry and liquid ingredients. They replace flimsy plastic scoops with solid, food-grade metal that balances perfectly in your hand. When arthritis flares up or your grip weakens, trying to level off baking soda or carefully pour vanilla extract often turns into a messy task. These spoons feature narrow, rounded heads that slide easily into small spice jars without spilling on the counter. The included D-ring keeps the entire set tethered together, keeping you from digging through cluttered kitchen drawers. The 6-piece set covers everything from 1/8 of a teaspoon up to 1 tablespoon, with the measurements deeply engraved into the handles so they never wash off. Seniors who had stopped baking family recipes out of frustration with unreadable, easily misplaced tools are confidently returning to the oven. Coming up at number 2 is a set of strong magnetic shelves that stick directly to the side of your refrigerator or microwave. Place these racks onto any flat metal surface to instantly create accessible storage space without requiring tools or complex installation. Instead of bending down to search through dark lower cabinets or stretching dangerously to reach high pantry shelves, you can keep your daily necessities right at eye level. Whether you need to organize morning pill bottles, favorite teas, or essential cooking spices, putting them on the fridge keeps them firmly within your comfortable reach. Crafted from sturdy, rust-proof ABS material, each rack in this 4-pack uses a heavy-duty magnet to safely support up to 6 pounds of weight. For seniors who struggle with the painful bending and reaching of traditional cabinets, this returns the simple independence of navigating a kitchen, completely strain-free. Next on our list, number 3 is a heavy-duty set of stainless steel locking kitchen tongs. These tongs grip, flip, and serve food safely from a distance, extending your reach while keeping your hands away from intense heat. When arthritis or weakened grip strength makes handling hot pans unsteady, reaching over steaming pots or grabbing slippery vegetables becomes a daily hazard. The silicone cushioned handles provide a thick, comfortable grip that won't slip out of your hands, while the smooth pull-ring lock means you can easily secure them closed without straining your fingers. Built from 1mm thick food-grade stainless steel, they withstand heat up to 600 degrees and come in a practical set of 7, 9, and 12-inch lengths to tackle any cooking task. Seniors who had stopped making their favorite stovetop meals out of fear of burns are confidently navigating their kitchens again. Next up at number 4 is the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. This manual tool grips directly onto standard food cans and uses a razor-sharp cutting wheel to slice through the metal lid. When arthritis or reduced grip strength makes basic kitchen prep painful, opening a simple can of soup, diced tomatoes, or pet food can become a daily struggle. You simply clamp the soft, oversized handles together and twist the large ergonomic knob, which requires far less hand torque than traditional thin-handled openers. It holds on securely, so your hands do not have to squeeze tightly while turning. Built with a durable stainless steel blade and a convenient built-in bottle opener, it is a proven daily kitchen staple backed by over 90,000 customer reviews. Seniors who had started avoiding their favorite canned recipes due to hand pain are comfortably preparing their own meals again. Next on our list at number 5 is a heavy-duty kitchen organizer that takes the hassle out of post-dinner cleanup. Place this high-capacity dish rack right by your sink to securely hold plates, heavy pots, and glassware, while automatically draining excess water. Instead of dealing with flimsy plastic drainers that tip over or crack, you get a stable base that handles daily kitchen chores with ease. The integrated slope tray channels water straight into the sink, so you never have to wipe up slippery puddles on your countertop. It also features a 3-slot utensil holder to keep sharp knives safely separated from your daily silverware. Built from rust-proof 304 surgical-grade stainless steel, this durable rack outlasts cheap coated wire and assembles in about 10 minutes without any special tools. For seniors who used to dread the messy chore of hand-washing cookware, this simple upgrade returns a sense of ease and keeps the kitchen safe and perfectly dry. Next on our list is number 6, a 20-piece stainless steel flatware set that provides a comfortable dining experience. This silverware set includes forks, spoons, and knives designed with properly weighted curved handles. If stiff joints or arthritis make standard cutlery difficult to grip during family dinners, these utensils offer a practical solution. The ergonomic, rounded ends sit naturally in your hand, so you can cut through a chicken breast or scoop hot soup without your fingers cramping or the utensil slipping. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel with a rust-resistant finish, this set provides full service for 4 people and carries a 4.5 out of 5 rating from over 1,200 customer reviews. The solid construction prevents bending during use and is completely dishwasher safe. For seniors who have struggled to hold flimsy dining ware, this properly proportioned set returns the simple dignity of enjoying a meal without frustration. Coming up at number 7 is the Lifewit Insulated Lunch Bag. This soft cooler keeps food, drinks, and daily necessities at a safe, consistent temperature while you are away from home. When heading out for a long afternoon of doctor appointments, community center activities, or family visits, worrying about special diets or temperature-sensitive medications can keep you stuck at the house. You can load this wide-opening tote with your required meals, cold water bottles, or even ice packs for prescription drops, knowing the leak-proof interior will catch any accidental spills or condensation. The 9-liter capacity comfortably holds several large meal containers, while the thick thermal insulation maintains hot or cold temperatures for over 4.5 hours. For seniors who feel tethered to their kitchen because of strict dietary needs or medication schedules, this reliable bag makes long outings and day trips completely possible again. Next on our list, number 8 is a massive microfiber mat that replaces hard, bulky dish racks. You simply lay this extra-large pad flat on your kitchen counter to catch drips from freshly washed pots, pans, and delicate glassware. For older adults with arthritis or limited hand strength, balancing wet, slippery plates in a tippy wire rack can be frustrating and precarious. Instead, you just set everything directly onto this soft fabric. It creates a safe, cushioned landing zone right next to the sink that prevents fragile glasses from chipping and stops heavy skillets from scratching the countertop. Measuring a generous 18 by 24 inches, the mat absorbs up to 4 times its own weight in water and can be tossed right into the washing machine. Seniors who used to dread the messy cleanup after dinner are safely hand-washing their favorite dishes again, without worrying about shattering fragile pieces on a hard surface. Coming up at number 9, this 2-in-1 glass olive oil dispenser lets you both pour and spray oil from a single bottle. You can evenly coat a pan before cooking or lightly dress a fresh salad just by pressing the handle or tipping the spout, without wrestling with slippery, greasy bottles. Instead of accidentally pouring a puddle of oil that ruins a meal, the trigger design gives you complete control over how much you use, making it ideal for air fryers and roasting vegetables. It keeps your countertops free from oily rings, and the large handle is easy to grip even if your hands are stiff. This 16-ounce container is made from heat-resistant, BPA-free glass, featuring a precision nozzle that dispenses exactly 0.15 grams of oil per spray. Seniors who had given up preparing their favorite pan-fried recipes due to heavy, hard-to-control jugs are confidently cooking healthy meals again. Next on our list, number 10, are these disposable air fryer liners by Baker's Signature. Place one of these parchment sheets directly into your basket before adding food to catch all the excess grease, sticky marinades, and baked-on crumbs. Air fryers are useful for small-batch meals, but scrubbing out a heavy, awkward basket under the faucet can quickly become painful for aging wrists. With these liners, you simply lift the paper out by its edges once your food is done, and toss it straight into the trash, leaving the machine completely spotless. Each silicone-coated sheet is waterproof and safely withstands cooking temperatures up to 450 degrees, with 125 pieces perfectly sized for standard 5 to 8 quart baskets. For seniors who have avoided cooking hot meals because the heavy cleanup is too physically taxing, these simple inserts restore the daily routine of effortless, independent cooking. Next on our list at number 11 is the Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Food Storage Container Set. These glass containers give you a completely airtight and leak-proof way to preserve leftovers and fresh ingredients. Instead of fighting with flimsy plastic lids that warp or pop off in the fridge, you simply press down the crystal-clear latches for a secure seal. When it is time for lunch, you can move them directly to the microwave and just unlatch the sides to let the built-in vents release steam, preventing messy splatters while your soup or stew reheats. The set includes 9 BPA-free glass bases that are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing them to double as durable bakeware that stacks securely on your shelves. Seniors who used to dread the mess and frustration of stained, mismatched plastic tubs are finding comfort again in a beautifully organized fridge and easily reheated daily meals. Next on our list, number 12 is a stainless steel travel tumbler designed to keep beverages perfectly contained. You simply fill this cup with your hot coffee or cold water, slide the top closed, and carry it safely around the house. Carrying a traditional open mug from the kitchen to the living room can be a stressful balancing act, especially if your hands shake or you use a walker. The completely leak-proof lid and slide-top spout on this mug prevent sudden splashes and burns. The slider opens smoothly without requiring a tight, painful grip, offering a comfortable sip every time. Its double-wall insulation ensures your 12-ounce morning coffee stays hot for a full 6 hours, while iced drinks remain cold for 24 hours. Seniors who had given up carrying their own drinks out of a fear of spilling are confidently bringing their hot coffee to their favorite armchair again. Coming up at number 13 is the Frost Buddy Universal Can Cooler. This double-walled stainless steel cooler adjusts to hold almost any beverage container you own, keeping it ice cold all day. Instead of rummaging through kitchen drawers for the exact right foam sleeve for a slender sparkling water or a standard soda can, you just drop your drink into this single holder. The patented lid securely grips everything from standard 12-ounce cans and slim seltzers to taller 16-ounce bottles, meaning you only need to keep one cooler sitting next to your favorite patio chair. Backed by over 10,000 positive reviews, this matte black cooler is engineered to keep drinks up to 20 times colder for a full 24 hours. For seniors who find their beverages going disappointingly warm during long afternoons outdoors, this single tool brings back the simple pleasure of a perfectly chilled drink from the first sip to the last. Coming up at number 14 is a double-wall insulated water bottle that locks in your drink's temperature all day. This container features a 2-in-1 lid that lets you choose between sipping through a built-in straw or drinking directly from a spout. Proper hydration is essential for swallowing daily medications and maintaining energy, but gripping, sweating, slippery cups can be frustrating. You can fill this before heading out to long appointments or running errands, and it slides perfectly into standard car cup holders. If it accidentally tips over on the passenger seat or inside a tote bag, the secure seal prevents wet messes. It holds a practical 26 ounces, keeping water cold for 24 hours or coffee hot for 12 hours without any metallic aftertaste. Seniors who previously avoided bringing beverages along because of messy leaks or heavy thermoses are staying safely hydrated on the go. And saving the best for last, number 15 is a completely wireless digital meat thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking. You simply slide the metal probe into your steak, chicken, or roast, and it instantly tracks the internal temperature. Instead of standing over a hot stove or constantly opening the oven door to check on dinner, you can sit comfortably in the living room while your smartphone monitors the meal. The dedicated app sends an instant alert the moment your food reaches the perfect temperature, preventing accidental undercooking while you manage other kitchen tasks. It relies on 6 high-accuracy sensors to deliver a half-second instant read, and the storage base provides 100 hours of battery life between charges. For seniors who had stopped hosting Sunday dinners because standing at the grill became exhausting, this intelligent tool returns the joy of serving perfectly cooked family meals without the physical strain. And that's a wrap. 15 next-level kitchen upgrades guaranteed to change how you cook. If even one of these caught your eye, wait until you see what drops next. Links to everything are in the description below. Subscribe to the Deals Scout to always catch the absolute best gear first.